How to block someone on TikTok. What is up everybody? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily block an account on TikTok. Let's just get right away. First thing first, open up your TikTok. Once you open up your application, just select an account that you want to block. So let's say if I just want to block this account right here, I'm just going to go ahead and tap on this account. And then from here, what I'm going to do is simply tap on the share icon that is available at the top right corner. And then from here, I have an option to block this. So just tap on block, and it will ask you if you want to block them or not. And if you're sure that you want to block them, tap on block. Now you won't be able to see each other's contents. So if I just go back, you can do the same. So just go ahead and tap on the profile. Go to the top right corner and then tap on block. This way you can block any account you want on TikTok, and each one of you will not be able to see each other's content. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.